Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CLVS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're new to charts and not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Very nice movement on this one today, not only from the price action point of view, but you look down here, and while the volume wasn't gigantic, still staying strong, still staying above average. So there's still plenty of interest in this one, but mainly from the price action perspective, good to see that the price has continued to grind higher and higher. So let's get some levels of support and resistance mapped out here. First level of support is what I would call the ideal level. And we say, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And that would be if the price can stay up there above $10.25. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below $10.25, I'm not saying the entire chart's destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to stay above that area, that would definitely be a great sign of power going forward. Next level of support after that would be what I would definitely call and consider a must-hold level down at 970. Why is that such an important area? Well, I'm not saying this will occur, but just for explanation's sake, if the price were to come down to 970 and then just continue on down, what would that be doing to the price? Well, from a very literal perspective, that would be putting the price right back to where it was in this range of the chart before the nice breakout has occurred. And not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true strength. Whereas if the price came down here, behaved in that manner, and then began to work its way back upwards, well, now all of a sudden, what would you have? Well, you'd have a set of lows here, you'd have a low there, you'd have these lows down there if you envision each of those as stair steps. Well, hey, now you have stair steps making progress in the upwards direction. And that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And again, in this situation, quote unquote, progress being defined as 1025. What about areas of resistance moving forward? Initial level for that is just simply where the party stopped during that first 30 minutes of the day. And that sits up there at 1087. If 1087 can be broken, then next key battleground after that, right up there at 1145. So keep an eye on those levels going forward. But yeah, you got to give credit where credit's due. To think that just a few days ago, the price was down below $9. Now it's sitting up, pushing potentially $11. Nice bounce. Let's see if the bulls can continue to build upon it. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.